Am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Well, yeah. Why do I have to have cuffs on?
I'll try to have a seat if you'll let go of me. You don't own me.
You don't know nothing about me.
I don't, but so far, I don't like any of them.
I don't like you either.
Corrupt police officers often evade justice, but occasionally their luck runs out and they are caught red-handed. Take, for example, our first case, where an officer tried to misuse his power during a traffic stop.
I used to be a police officer. I'm just asking why everybody's been asked for their ID.
On June 6, 2016, an Orlando police officer conducted a traffic stop, shining a light directly into a car. The situation took an unexpected turn when the driver turned out to be a former police officer. Body cam footage captured their conversation, revealing how the officer's demeanor changed dramatically upon discovering the driver's background.
Hello guys, how you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Do you want where to stop you today?
No.
The speed limit on Kaylee's 30 miles an hour.
So, you stopped me? I was speeding?
Yes, sir.
When you were coming toward me?
No, sir, I got behind you and pace clocked you at 40 miles an hour.
No, I'm asking because when you were coming toward me, you had shined your light in my face. You were...
Yeah, I visually estimated your speed. That's why I turned around and got behind you and confirmed my visual estimate with the pace clock in my vehicle. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah, I do. Can you give me my bag right there?
Are there any weapons or anything in the car?
No.
Where you go digging
no.
through bags?
No.
I'm not saying it's against the law to have weapons, I just want to know about
No,
it.
no, I don't have weapons.
Oh, wait.
GPS signal lost.
Where you guys going tonight? Any places fun?
We're dropping off some stuff at one of the local clubs.
Still live in Illinois?
I'm sorry?
Yeah. Does everyone still live in Illinois?
I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you guys were local or tourists or anything like that.
It's in my bag.
Do you have any idea I need to cost you?
It's in the
Go and get it for me, please. Thank you.
That's not your wallet?
Where's... Is it on the floor?
Yeah.
It's black?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Shining a light directly into a car was extremely dangerous, and it appeared to be a deliberate act by the officer. Upon seeing the dark-skinned driver, it seemed the officer decided to turn around and initiate the stop.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Excuse me,
in
sir.
my bag in the trunk.
I used to be a police officer. I'm just asking why everybody's been asked for their ID. If you stop, I'm just asking why everybody's been
We
asked.
just want to know who we're out with, that's all.
Okay, because I'm used to be a police officer, so I've never had to deal with everybody in the car getting their IDs.
Yeah, we just like to know who we're out with.
If it's just for speeding, that's why I'm trying to see what's going on.
Like I said, we just like to know who we're out with.
Okay, is there something going on in the area?
Not that I'm aware of anything particular, no.
Okay. Okay. Because when you were coming toward me, I saw the light. It kind of blinded me, and I thought something was wrong because I saw the light flash in my face.
Well, like I said, I visually estimated your speed.
Mm-hmm.
And at that point, I looked to see who was driving.
Mm-hmm.
Because let's just say, you know, a car runs from me or whatever, I want to be able to identify the driver. And I got behind you and pace clocked you. And
Okay.
that's why I'm stopping you today.
Okay.
Where were you a police officer?
St. Louis and the city of Atlanta.
St. Louis, Missouri?
Mm-hmm.
And then again in Atlanta?
Yeah, I moved. I transferred because I got tired of being in St. Louis. And
What do you mean you transferred?
I transferred. They were paying more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was making like $38,000,
Uh-huh.
and Atlanta was paying like 45.
Do they take like laterals, like did
Yes.
they give you time for your...
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What did you do about getting a certificate out of Georgia?
After I resigned, I didn't think about doing it anymore.
No, I mean like how did you carry over your certificate?
Oh, well, doing the ladder program, they just did the accreditation from St. Louis Police Academy because you get the same credits as you do with them.
So they have like an equivalency of training kind of thing?
Yeah, I only did like 8 weeks.
Okay, that's what I was asking. I didn't know if they like honored it or whatever.
Yeah,
I wasn't
yeah.
sure how that worked.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
As soon as the officer learned that the driver was an ex-cop, his tone completely changed. However, he still couldn't fully accept it and proceeded to ask a series of questions to verify the driver's identity. Despite this, the driver remained incredibly patient, answering all the officer's pointless questions.
I was just curious.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Just sit tight, guys. As long as your licenses come back valid and stuff.
Okay.
No tickets tonight. I don't want to like enjoy writing tickets or anything.
I understand. I appreciate it.
Just one of those things.
Okay.
All right. Just sit tight for us.
Thank you. You're welcome.
That's the driver, right?
Yeah.
What? No, just ticket. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Yeah. Hey guys.
Yep.
You. 22. Thank you. Here's yours. You would pass this to the driver. We're just gonna let you off with verbal warning.
Okay.
Appreciate everything you guys have done, being cooperative with us. Be safe tonight, okay?
I appreciate it.
Take care.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Good night.
I'm a visual person, but I still need a name for the street because I don't like riding around in comfortable areas and not knowing, looking like I don't know where I'm going. But that was a bull traffic stop.
He announced, "No ticket tonight," pretending to do them a favor, but he only issued a warning since no violation had occurred. Despite this, the officer's attitude remained hostile as he continued to vent his frustration over the failed stop. Such reckless behavior should not be overlooked and demands official scrutiny and accountability. Proper legal actions are essential to ensure that law enforcement maintains high safety standards and upholds public trust. Our next case, where an officer's inflated ego resulted in the unlawful arrest of young boys, showcasing a blatant misuse of authority.
No, you don't know nothing about me.
I don't. But so far, I don't like any of them.
I don't like you either.
On June 12, 2023, the Franklin police responded to a disturbance caused by two teenagers at a gas station. Due to the attendant's friendship with Officer Phillips, Officer Brown intervened and, without conducting a proper investigation, unlawfully arrested the boys. It was only later discovered that they were of legal age. This questionable action raises significant concerns about the officer's conduct.
What's going on, dude? What's up? What are you guys doing? Okay. You want to hang out here for a second? Why? Because I want to talk to you for a second.
Have I committed a crime?
Well, I don't know. Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, come here.
Am I being detained?
How old are you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, come here.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
What crime have I committed?
Sit down.
What crime have I committed?
You as well. Have a seat.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
What's going on?
Have a seat.
What crime have I committed?
Okay, so we're investigating a possible crime at Twice Dailies.
Okay.
Where are you guys coming from?
What's the possible crime?
Okay. 453. I'll take a second unit. Can you take your hands out of your pockets for me? How old are you?
I don't answer questions.
How old are you?
I don't answer questions.
Cool. Sounds good. We'll wait for my sergeant to show up.
Somewhere to go.
Stop.
I'm always in a hurry. God damn. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4? 4.
Congrats, you can count.
3.
I'm glad you
That's a crime, Nick.
I'm glad you did.
That's a crime, Nick, over there. That old one. I got the 4.6 liter. 2 barrel.
Why are you handcuffed?
I don't know. I ain't committed no crime.
Why are you being detained?
That's a great question.
What's the issue here?
Well, you tell me why we got a call for you guys.
We were just walking. We didn't do nothing.
For what?
This is a public sidewalk. I ain't committed no crime.
We're on public
Okay.
property and we're walking.
For service.
Yeah, but a call doesn't mean nothing. What have you investigated?
Okay, you're not gonna tell me how to do my job and my law.
Well, you're not doing it right because I ain't committed no crime.
How old are
That's
you?
another one.
How old are you?
I don't ask questions.
Okay, good for you. Well, when you're an adult, you talk to me about adult things, but right
I
now,
don't ask questions.
okay, it's not a question, it's a statement. You watch way too much TikTok and YouTube, don't you?
What you talking about? Always wrong to know my rights, I guess.
I'm not questioning you, I'm just explaining things, but you're gonna be a wise guy. Don't really care.
I guess knowing your rights is being wise.
You asked the question, I tried to answer it, but you can be a smart guy, little.
The boys were arrested for refusing to answer questions, which appears to be a clear case of retaliation and bullying tactics. All they did was exercise their Fifth Amendment right to remain silent under the United States Constitution.
Where's your car?
I don't ask questions.
You don't answer questions? How old are you?
I don't ask questions.
Look like juvenile with me, right?
What crime have I committed?
Oh, you're already in handcuffs. Perfect. How old are you?
I don't ask questions.
All right. There you go. Under arrest.
For what?
Suspicion of curfew. Till we prove who you are.
Suspicion of curfew?
Yeah.
That's not even me. Suspicion of curfew.
Yeah. You look like you're underage.
So if I told you if I was 21, then it'd be okay.
Then I asked for your ID.
Well, what crime have we committed?
I just answered
It's
that.
not a stop and ID state.
Yeah, Tennessee's not stopping. You can't just go to someone and say, oh, you just look a certain way, so we can arrest you.
You have anything sharp on
I
you?
do not consent to searches or seizures.
I understand that.
All right, well, you're violating my arrest right now.
Okay, I understand.
You don't have an ID on you? Okay, good for you. You can answer him at juvenile if you're under the age of 18.
We're under arrest for being suspicion of...
Never been under arrest.
There you go. Under arrest.
We're under arrest for being suspicion of...
Never said under arrest.
Oh.
Did I?
What does it look like to you?
Why
tell
are we
me.
being...
Am I free to go?
You tell me, street lawyer.
Are we being detained?
Yes, we're being detained, and we have committed no crimes.
Guess we don't live in America no more. It's a tyrannical state. You must obey the government. You are not free to walk the streets.
What are we doing here, officers? What are we doing here?
We'll let you know. We're the ones that are in charge right now. If you couldn't
That's
tell.
all I'm asking.
Yeah.
They're just going to detain us now.
You wasting my time. I ain't breaking no law.
Seat. Take a seat. Take a seat, man.
Let's go. Have a seat next to your friend right here.
Oh,
There you go.
they're getting physical. They're getting physical.
Listen.
I'm helping you down.
Sorry, man. I got bad legs.
Okay, I'm helping you down, so.
First, the boys were arrested without any valid reason, and then they were subjected to abuse and mockery. Do parents now need to protect their children from the police as well?
You do realize that while you two guys are screwing around wasting our goddamn time,
I'm not
people
doing
are
nothing.
actually
You
need
came up to
help.
us. We was
Okay.
minding our own business.
I
We
just
didn't break no
got
laws.
off a long shift and I'm trying to go for a walk.
Okay, so go home and stop bothering people because
We not bothering
you're
no one.
wasting
We
our
walking down
time.
the
Why do you think
sidewalk.
we're back here? Well, you're not, because your car is illegally parked on somebody's private property that's closed because you were just in your car. You understand how easy this would have been had you just answered my questions in the first place?
But that's the thing, though. I live in America. I don't have to bow down to everything y'all say. I don't got to do whatever you say. I'm a free citizen. I don't break no laws. I'm a free citizen.
Where are they? I'll go see if they want them trespassed from the store. I'll be right back.
Are we free to go?
Nope. That's why handcuffs are on you.
They violate no rights.
I feel as though my rights are being infringed upon.
I don't mean to be rude, but like, do you guys have like medical, psychological problems, anything like that?
I actually have a hiatal hernia. It's severe.
No, like anything that would like actually make you guys act so strange and
I don't know.
No, I just work a lot, so I like to take
Okay.
walks at night.
okay.
Get outside, you know. Since it's a free country, and I figured I could walk on public roads. I didn't know that'd be an issue.
It is when you commit crimes prior to this, but
What crime did we
crime,
commit?
though? Like,
harassment,
Harassing who?
a gas station employee.
When?
Okay.
What evidence do you have?
Okay.
Exactly. That's what I thought.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, they're gonna talk to the clerk right now.
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well, maybe you should act like you're 20 instead of 12.
Hey, bro, I don't know if like you don't have like the proper authority at home, so like you like pent that up inside, and then you put on a uniform and you walk around.
No,
You don't know nothing about me.
I don't. But so far, I don't like any of it.
I don't like you either.
That's cool.
I wasn't bothering you. You came up on me. I was
Well, we got a
walking.
call for service.
Okay, a
Based
call
on
don't
your
mean nothing.
description, yes, it does. Gives us probable cause to detain you.
I don't. That's
And
true.
maybe you need to do a little
What crime
research
have you
before you
witnessed?
spout your
You
mouth.
haven't witnessed no crime. I ain't commit no crime. Anyone calling to say anything, that don't mean nothing.
The real crime is that you're wearing mismatching socks, and the fact that you two have been rambling here for the last
Nah, the
15
real
minutes.
crime is that you came over here to detain me when I did nothing wrong.
I'll give you
You
that
searched
one.
me.
The real
I
crime
don't-
is you're
I don't
wasting
consent to
everybody's
searches.
time.
You wasted my time. My time more valuable than your time.
It's not, because
you on
the
the
public-
clock and you violate my
The
rights.
public pays for us to service them, and when you two
Yeah, and you're not servicing no one who you servicing.
money.
Who are you
pay a lot of
servicing?
tax money working at Costco.
Who are you
Thank you for your
servicing?
service.
It's still tax money.
Who are you servicing?
America thanks you for your service at Costco. Okay.
America doesn't thank you for your service. You're a disgrace.
I don't work at Costco.
Well, one of you does. Your little name tag right there.
Little name tag. They got it for little, man.
Well, it is little, so.
Hey, bro, that's why that might be what she says to you. But I know what she said to me.
You know, people at Costco make like
What's his name?
What's your boyfriend? What's his name?
what's 60 to 100K a year at Costco.
What's that?
You know they make like 60 to 100K a year at Costco if you're there for a while.
Well, money's not the point. The point is that we're here. Let's hear that.
Well, you're talking about that taxpayer money.
They're servicing the public. Fire department's going to a call right now.
Yeah, and you know
We're
why no one
stuck here
hates the fire
because you
department?
two are
Because the
too
fire department
stupid to
help
make
people.
adult decisions.
To walk up the side of the
Walking on
road.
the sidewalk is not illegal.
Is that not an adult's decision to make?
as adults, we don't have the decision to make the walk on the sidewalk.
Deputy Brown was lecturing the young boys on how to behave appropriately, all while mocking them for wearing mismatched socks and a small name tag. The irony is hard to miss.
Do you want them trespassed from here? Okay. If they're harassing y'all, they're up here, they're street lawyers and don't understand why we're getting out with them and why they have to ID themselves, and they just parked at the business back here that's closed. And
yeah, I was in the bathroom. Tyler told me they'd been here for about an hour, so I went over there and I told them they need to get their gas. This isn't a hangout spot. They need to leave. And they started calling obscene names.
fair enough. Figured when I was up here heating up my food, they spend about 5-10 minutes on the candy aisle, so I figured they're either trying to buy beer or trying to buy smokes and more an old mug.
They weren't getting it.
They look like they're about 16.
They weren't getting it anyway.
Alrighty, we'll cut you out of here because we now know that you're not out after curfew, but you are banned from the dailies. Still over harassing the clerk. That's the reason we got out with you as well. Because he asked you to leave and you gave him a bunch of lip and stuff like that. Oh, any other questions?
No, sir.
How about you?
Name and badge number?
Phillips, 925.
All right, you have a good night.
All right, you dismissed.
Wishful thinking. Freaking frack.
Yeah.
Oh, that look bones standing here all morning. They don't know what you can do.
We're stuck here doing this stupid shit. People actually need our services. I'm trying to tell them 7 o'clock. Yeah.
All right, dismissed, fellow.
Dismissed.
It's day. Hope you get a job.
Even after being proven wrong, the deputies continued to display unnecessary attitudes and showed no embarrassment over their illegal arrests. It was utterly ridiculous. Such outrageous misconduct and unlawful arrests demand accountability. When officers cross the line with false arrests, they face serious consequences, including charges of false imprisonment, civil rights violations, and misconduct. It's high time these officers face the music for their illegal actions and restore integrity to the force. Some police officers often believe their badges give them authority over everyone, but this next deputy took violence and inhumanity to a whole new extreme.
I'll try to have a seat if you'll let go of me. You don't hold me.
On February 26, 2022, Dickinson police responded to an accident involving 65-year-old Michael Scurlock, who had been struck by a pickup truck. During the investigation, the situation escalated when Officer Kinsley pinned Scurlock to the ground, resulting in a severe brain injury for Scurlock.
Show me out on that auto pit.
I said I was.
You all right?
We had a little get together. He's being stubborn about getting checked out, but he said he's all right.
I'm all right.
So we're just.
You all right?
I told him I want to take him
No,
down.
I ain't all right. I need about $1 million, and then I'll be all right.
Well, you ain't getting that, so.
Yeah.
Well, no.
I'm trying to get him. He's always
You go ahead and get that.
I want to get you down.
I got that. I can put that on.
Okay.
Even though it's a complicated son of a.
Yeah. Well, so what do you want to do?
I'm gonna put this thing on.
63. He's not injured. No ambulance needed. Can you run Michael Scurlock?
Yeah, I got the tools at the house. You know where I live.
You didn't do that on purpose.
No, sir.
63. Did you get my last transmission?
Somebody.
Stop by the house. You know where I be.
I'm glad that you are somebody I know.
Hey, hold on. Don't go anywhere yet.
What do you mean don't go anywhere yet?
Exactly what the f I mean. Don't go anywhere yet.
Hey, what the f have I done?
I was.
What?
What happened?
He hit me accidentally.
EMS is not needed.
Looking that way to go, and I was starting to ease out. And the next time I see a flash in front of him, he goes.
I was worrying about flat. Now, I ain't worried about flat. Look at that. In here, we got tubes in the tire. And that son of a is leaking down. Boom, bang. What's this here? Now, where did you go? All right, am I through?
No.
What have I got to do?
You got to wait here.
What for? Tell me.
Till we finish our investigation.
Investigation? There ain't
Matter of fact, have a seat. Have a seat on the curb.
Matter of fact, I was out there laying.
Have a seat on the curb.
You're not listening to me.
Have a seat
That's
on the
what
curb.
you're supposed to do.
Have a seat on the curb.
She hit me. He hit me, and I thought he saw me.
Scurlock was struck by a pickup truck, yet instead of holding the driver accountable, the officer allowed them to leave and chose to investigate the 65-year-old victim instead. What a tyrant.
I'm gonna look for my stuff, young man.
All right, turn around.
Come on, now wait a minute.
Hey, relax.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're gonna have a seat. Sit down.
I'll try to have a seat if you'll let go of me. You don't hold me.
We need him now.
63, go ahead, roll an ambulance.
Is he out?
Huh?
Is he out? You know his name?
Michael Scurlock, I believe.
Is he drunk?
Huh?
Is he drunk?
I don't know. I tried to get him to sit down because it looked like he was gonna walk away. He wouldn't do it, so now I told him, put your hands behind your back and start persisting.
Let me get his information so I can get him out of here. You good holding him? You want some gloves or something?
I already touched him. I got some gloves.
Despite being hit by a truck, Scurlock was still able to move and talk. However, while searching for his belongings, he was knocked out by the officer and later accused of being drunk, even as he bled from his face. Their actions showed a blatant disregard for the laws they were supposed to uphold.
Come on.
You got a car, don't you?
A car for what?
To get me home.
No, I don't have a car to get you home in. Come on.
Mr. Scurlock, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to a lawyer. You have the right to have a lawyer present at any interview at the police or district attorney. You have the right to terminate any interview at any time. You don't have to make a statement, but I must warn you, any statement you make can or will be used against you. You're charged with public intoxication. I'm going to set a bond of $581. Can you make bond, sir? I take that as a no.
Yeah, I guess.
What are you going to do? What do we do?
Oh, how am I here?
You got arrested for public intoxication yesterday.
I got beat on this today.
Having signed that, fill that out. If it has any information, we'll go from there.
Man, I ain't got no way out of here.
No, you're getting out.
You're getting out. Sign right here for me.
Oh.
Let me get that one as best you can.
Man, I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see.
Right here. Sign your name as best you can.
Okay. God, mighty.
Back up.
Ah!
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay, hey, you're gonna have to be quiet.
I see that.
You have to be quiet right there. Destiny. Come on.
I can't come over.
The judge is out here.
No.
Sit down right there.
The judge and jail attendant were equally culpable as Officer Kinsley. They witnessed the poor man stumble and fall while in custody and did nothing to provide the help he desperately needed. Michael Scurlock's tragic case took a darker turn when he died in December 2022, allegedly from a head injury caused by Officer Kinsley. Despite this, Kinsley was promoted to sergeant. 7 months later, Detective Jesse uncovered 5 cases against Kinsley, leading to a grand jury indictment in February 2024. Kinsley was charged with felony elderly abuse and official oppression for striking Scurlock, denying him medical treatment, and unlawfully detaining him. Although the charges are still pending, this case underscores serious concerns about police accountability.
In this last case, an officer landed himself in hot water after brazenly breaking the law.
Am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Well, yeah. Why do I have to have cuffs on?
On May 21, 2022, Rio Arriba County Sheriff James Lujan's downfall began when authorities arrived with a search warrant for his house and iPhone due to his involvement in helping former Española City Councilor Philip Chacon evade the law. The operation quickly soured as Lujan resisted cooperation, turning the search into a dramatic showdown and unraveling his criminal activities.
Morning, sir. Executing a search warrant. Sheriff Lujan.
Search warrant for him or?
For the building as well.
For what?
I have no idea. It's house. But no, just stay here. No, I can't have you enter the scene.
You guys are fucked up, man.
Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Cody?
Let's go on the
I
opposite
can't tell.
side.
Sir, let's walk over here.
Why is that? That's messed up.
Let's walk over here.
Sure. That's what I'm saying. Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Well, you got Tabitha over there. They got the press out here taking pictures of me in handcuffs.
Push him around into the doorway. Yeah, push him around into the doorway. At least to the doorway.
Police officers often overstep boundaries during arrests, and in the case of Sheriff James, he couldn't even handle being handcuffed. This incident should have served as a wake-up call for law enforcement to treat others with basic humanity.
Hold on, we have press.
Keep him up there.
Come over here, sir.
Keep him up there.
Sheriff,
Let's go.
what are you doing?
Stay out here.
Ah, Jesus. Really? You don't have to. Just stand. Just stand.
Put him on this side of the truck. Put him on the other side of the truck.
It hurts.
They're loose, sir. They're loose.
No, they're not loose.
They're not even.
Sheriff, those are loose.
Stick your finger in there. Can you stick your finger in there? Yes, I can. Well, they hurt.
Jesus.
So, we have two search warrants. So, I'm going to read a stipulation.
Can you take these handcuffs off? They hurt. They hurt. Am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Well, yeah. Why do I have to have cuffs on? They hurt.
We'll take them off in a minute. This won't take long.
You have a search warrant for my iPhone. You got my iPhone. You want a search warrant for the building. You're searching the building. I don't know what you're searching for, though.
I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
You're not letting me explain this. Let me explain. As soon as I find the page.
25 to all units, make sure you guys stay running hot.
So on this is signed by a district court judge.
Good.
Okay. Judge Bowman. Okay. First judicial. Okay. So this search warrant gives me the authorization to seize your phone. Okay. Search your phone.
Okay.
But it also gives me the authorization. What I'm asking for you to do is unlock your phone, unlock it, give it back to me, and I'm going to remove the security settings. I don't want your passcode. I'm not asking for your passcode. I'm asking you to unlock the phone. Per the search warrant, you can read it if you want under number 2.
Lujan believed he was above the law, using his position to help his friend evade the police. His attempt to feign innocence while still flaunting his power was truly outrageous.
I will if I get a chance to talk to my attorney.
It doesn't work like that.
Marty,
this is not a negotiation.
get off.
This is not a negotiation, Sheriff. This is not a negotiation. I'm telling you, the warrant says it right there. You can talk to your attorney when this is all done. When this is all done, you can call your attorney. But right now, we're trying to get you to comply with the warrant. The warrant stipulates exactly what we want. You
Give us that, we'll get the phone, we're out of here. That's it. What do you want to do, Sheriff?
Right now, I am under arrest. Because I am under arrest. I am in handcuffs. I'm not free to leave. I'm not free to leave? Am I free to leave?
No.
No. Then, if I'm under arrest, I have a right to an attorney, correct?
You do.
Okay.
And I'm not questioning you.
I'm invoking my right to an attorney right now.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
So, take him in.
Book me for
Booking. For obstruction. Obstruction. Booking.
I'm not obstructing.
Take him over here to our unit. Take him over here to our unit.
Over here, Sheriff. Over here.
Sheriff.
They're gonna book me.
Really?
Look at this shit. Look.
Stop, stop. Just walk up.
I will
Just walk.
stop, Sheriff. What are you doing? Look. What is it? Really?
I'm telling you what the warrant stipulates.
I understand that.
I told you what the warrant stipulates. You had every opportunity to cooperate. You want to cooperate, you're going to jail. Have a seat, sir.
Take the whole thing off. No, I haven't been searched. Just take me so we can do it.
I just want to make sure you don't have any knives.
I don't have any knives. I don't have any weapons. That's my wallet.
What's his keys?
My keys to my truck. I don't have any weapons. Okay, I really don't. You took my weapon. As a matter of fact, you left it on the back of my truck over there. If you get somebody to secure it,
We'll
please.
secure everything for you. Have a seat.
Can you move these to the front?
No, sir. Against department policy. Have a seat.
Well, it's tighter than hell. They hurt.
Sheriff, those are very, very loose.
Really?
Step out. Let me see if I can fix it. They're very, very loose.
If it hadn't been for his position as sheriff, the officers would have likely treated him harshly and charged him with obstruction. Instead, they continued to try to persuade him, which was sickening to watch. He shouldn't have been treated like a boss anymore.
Adam 32 to the unit. RE2 is requesting a commander. Huh?
Undersheriff? Chief. Chief's on his sheriff. That's his mag, and then we're gonna get you his sidearm.
Get everything. I don't want part of it.
What do you mean everything?
Everything.
So this is what we took off this person? You're the one that took it off this person? Took it off this person. Deputy Graves.
Well, inventory it before you get it.
We're handing it right over to you.
Inventory it. Okay. You have to get away from me.
What you guys are doing? We're trying to do everything peacefully. We tried to. Okay? That's all we're doing. We're done here. We're leaving.
Okay, well, get out of here then. You're done. Get out.
We'll leave when we're ready.
You said you were done.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up right now. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. We're doing our law enforcement duties. That's it. District court signed it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as we're done, we're going to get out of your hair. Why are you calling everybody here to put them involved?
This is our house.
Well, right now it's ours. Right now it's ours.
Oh, wow.
We own the building right now.
Shut up.
Don't talk to me like that.
Shut up.
I don't work for you. Don't
Okay.
talk to me like
Shut
that.
up.
Easy,
Go over there.
easy. Get that and let's go. Are we done in there? Are we done in there? Okay. Everybody out? Hey, pull that crime taper out. We're going.
It's closed for now.
Rio Arriba Sheriff James Lujan was sentenced to 3 years in prison for aiding a felon and witness intimidation. He assisted an ex-counselor in evading the police following a high-speed chase. Jurors took 5 hours to convict him, and Lujan was immediately jailed after his request for release pending appeal was denied. What legal reforms could help prevent abuse of power by officials like Sheriff Lujan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next one. Thanks for watching.